Hey, hello, boys and girls. I had a couple people asking questions about some practice for free body diagrams, and to be quite honest, there's not a lot of resources out there. So I found on the physics classroom website, one of these interactive little simulations that they have. It's called free body diagrams. If you click Start Free Body Diagrams, it pops up with 12 questions that allow you to show whether you kind of understand which way forces should be going on an object. It's relatively simple compared to some of the problems that we've been looking at in class, but gives you the chance to kind of check to see how much you're getting stuff. So they give you a scenario. I'm not going to read this particular one. There are 12 questions to go through. But in order to show whether there's a force acting on the object, you click the direction. Then you select what type of force: gravity, normal, friction, tension, spring, air resistance, or applied. Applied would be a push or pull by a person. If you click on it, it puts it into the picture, but then you can tap on the arrow to change its relative size. So if you want one force to be bigger than another, so you want, let's say, gravity going to the left, but you want a lot of it, you could put in the situation like this, click check to answer, and it'll give you a silly drats if you got it wrong, or a data way if you get it correct. But once you get them right, you progress through, and well, you lose your health. You don't want to lose all your health. You don't want to find out what that happens. But anyways, give them a shot. See if you can figure them out, and best of luck.